Welcome to our virtual tour of California. Today we will visit 3 areas in California that experience some natural geographical hazards such as flooding, drought, and landslides. We begin our tour in the beautiful city of Newport Beach. Newport is an area that is prone to flooding. Flooding is one of the most prevalently dangerous and costly hazards experienced throughout the world. Loss of life, personal, and public property due to flooding can be astronomical. Upper Newport is nestled in a canyon. The low-lying flat area of Newport, which can be seen here, is the area that experiences the flooding. As the population increases, there is increased pressure to build in flood-prone areas and hillsides that surround Newport. Due to urbanization, this area now has less natural ground to absorb water when it rains due to the increase in concrete and asphalt. In addition, the surrounding mountains, which are steep, are fairly impervious to water. When heavy rains come, the water drains into the low-lying areas and contributes to the flooding conditions. Possible solutions to this hazard are costly and controversial. Retreating from the flood areas and the hillsides is the most environmentally sound option, but involves legislation that allows for land acquisition by public authority. Strong political and personal opinions make this option virtually impossible. The immediate solution would be for the city of Newport to continue to improve storm drainage for future development in high-risk areas, have better evacuation plans, and be able to provide assistance to those affected by floods. Our next stop is Los Angeles County. Los Angeles County is located in a desert basin surrounded by the San Gabriel Mountains and divided by the Santa Monica Mountains, measuring approximately 4,700 square miles and has a population of about 10 million people. In the last 4 years, there has been a significant decrease in the amount of rainfall in Southern California. The lack of rain has had a big impact on life in Los Angeles. Since 2011, Los Angeles has been short about 8 inches of rain each year. The primary reason for the lack of rain is a persistent high-pressure ridge out in the Pacific Ocean that has blocked many storms from reaching Southern California. It is believed that 198% of normal rainfall is needed for California to no longer qualify as being in a state of drought. We cannot control how much it rains, but we can control how much water we use. The state of California has put forth water restriction measures to conserve current water resources. LA County has increased monitoring of water usage and implemented fines for those violating the set limits. Our next stop takes us further north to the San Francisco Bay Area. This region of California experiences more rainfall than Southern California. The Bay Area is home to approximately 7.4 million people. It is well known for its various terrains of beautiful coastlines, mountains, and forest areas. This region's geography has very limited flatlands, so building and construction has extended to the mountains and hills. Because of the rain and geologically unstable earth in this area, the Bay Area and the surrounding counties have experienced several dangerous landslides. Millions of dollars in property damage and fatalities have occurred in the last century due to landslides. Although unstable earth, which is susceptible to slides, has been identified, it is still difficult to predict when landslides will actually occur. In some cases, the Earth's movement happens very slowly and over time, such as during heavy and sudden rain. Extensive saturation of the Earth results in landslides that happen very suddenly with minimal warning. Because landslides are so unpredictable, the only way to prevent damage would be to not build in these areas. Urbanization brings revenue, but it also inadvertently incurs loss of revenue when disaster strikes. That concludes our tour of the 3 hazards experienced in California. Thank you for watching.